Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 25 of the March Leetcode Day Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's problem, two city scheduling. I feel like this week has been a lot of ad hoc problems, so hopefully today I get it pretty okay. Two city scheduling. I've been going on a lot of cities, so maybe this will help. We can use our power of technology to figure it out. All right, a company is planning an interview to N people. Given the cost of A cost, B cost, the cost of cost of flying I to A is B cost. Okay, so the minimum cost to fly cities such that N people arrive in each city. So basically, you have. This is kind of very hard, I think, to be honest. I might know the answer to this one because it's greedy again. Maybe that's the theme, greedy. But but I feel like it's always hard to kind of see why it's true. I mean, that's the thing I always say about greedy farms is that you could have a greedy solution, but you can't prove it, or and then sometimes you YOLO submit and you get lucky. But obviously, also on an interview, that may be less impressive when the next question is how do you prove this or how do you know this is true, and you're like I don't know, I was just guessing, right? So it is kind of tough, but this one there is a better way to phrase it. um there is a better way to phrase it, right? Minimum cost to fly each person to a city such that people. The better way to phrase it is that the costs are kind of possibly deceptive, but in that you're trying to minimize. But what actually matters is the delta of the cost, right? Meaning that if this person can go to A or B, where would it go, right? Well, instead of looking at it going, cost A is $10 and cost B is $20. Another way of thinking about it is that okay, you already have to pay that $10 no matter what, and then you have to pay 10 extra dollars to go to city B, right? And then you do the same. It costs $170 to go to cost B. And then now with that new array, you have like a delta array, if you will. Delta as in the difference and not necessarily the airline. So then you have, maybe in this case, you have 10, 170, negative 350, and then negative 10, right? So now you have this delta array that's, just to be clear, of all the differences away. Maybe differences away is a better way to say it. Of all the different things. And then now the greedy is more obvious in that, well, this means that going to city A will be cheaper by $350. So that's basically the idea about greedy. I think here, to be honest, I have two ways to thinking. I have two ways of greedy, but it should be okay. I think both of them go to the same thing, to be honest. But the idea is that now you sort this array, and so now you have this array which is maybe 350, negative 10, 10, and 170, and then after that, this half will go to A and this half will go to B. I mean, this actually is a little bit awkward in that it splits perfectly in the middle. But if you choose another one, even for example, I'm just making numbers up. If this is negative 100 and negative 10, it still makes sense for this to go to B and just eat the cost B, because we know that this is going to have to be optimal, because now you can make the exchange argument, right? The exchange argument being that maybe that's not the right term for it. The exchange argument being that if I move this person to go to B and this person to go to A instead, if you do a swap, you can also easily see that makes the number bigger, right? So that's always no good. So that means that this answer is going to be good. So that's I mean, that's all that is. So yeah, let's take it. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So then now all we have to do now is cost.sort. As we said, we're sorting each cost by cost of 0 minus cost by 1. I think that should be good. Yeah. And then let's see. n is equal to length of course, and then yeah, for I don't know, maybe do it this way, it doesn't really matter. If I plus I is less than n, maybe, yeah, should be okay either way. But basically what we're saying is that, you know, the first half we added to cost, we add, so the first half we added to we add the city A cost, and then if it's in the second half we add this. I mean, you could write this in a couple of ways, of course, but that's the way that I would have it. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it with respect to the thing, even though this looks pretty short. It's pretty long though, so that's a little bit sad. Did I not do this correctly? Maybe I do this wrong. So if n is equal to say 4, then this works for 0 and 1, right? So that's good. Did I mess that up? The minimum cost, why do I get 120? 120 is, maybe I hopefully I didn't say all that and have it be wrong, but let's see. Okay, so this is negative 170 and this is negative 10 like we said. So then now we add them, we have 40. 40 plus 90 is 40 plus 70. Sorry, it's 110. So maybe I just, okay. So at least I have it right. It's just that my math is wrong maybe. Or my maybe this one was always, oh, whoops. Oh yeah, whoops. Okay. I am just bad at okay. I look so cool too, right? Larry comes in, write a 10-line code, and it's very tight and small, and then I mess it up by having a Ucode sign. Okay, so let's give it a submit. And that's good. That looks good. Obviously this is gonna be n log n because of the sorting, but other than that, this is just all you can see as a for loop. Like we said, we take first half to go and then the second half to be. And yeah, I hope that argument made sense even though I took it off the screen. Just sorting it and then having that, it's not really an exchange argument, maybe like a swap argument. And you can see that anywhere you swap it, you're making a suboptimal answer, and that's pretty much it. Cool, 724 day streak. A space is obviously going to be O of n because of the sorting, depending on how you want to say it. You shouldn't sort the input of your users. But yeah, so you could think of this as making a copy in my head. But yeah, okay, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health, take care of yourself, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.